Hello, and welcome to Health and Beauty. Today, we unlock one of the most powerful, ancient, and science-backed secrets for slowing aging, boosting energy, and transforming the body at a cellular level. A phenomenon that scientists call a biological reset, a process that goes deeper than dieting, deeper than weight loss, a natural switch built into human evolution, known as fasting. This is the hidden power of fasting, the cellular reset that defies age. Take a deep breath, relax, and let's begin the journey inside your own cells. When you stop eating, even for a few hours, something extraordinary happens. Your cells wake up. During fasting, the body reduces external energy intake. This signals your cells to switch from growth mode to repair mode. This repair mode activates a Nobel Prize-winning biological mechanism called autophagy, meaning self-cleaning or self-eating. In simple words, your cells start finding and removing broken parts, toxic waste proteins, damaged mitochondria, and old debris that speeds up aging. Think of autophagy as a deep cellular detox, a restoration cycle that only activates when food stops entering the system. Benefits include reduced inflammation, better cell efficiency, reduced aging stress, improved survival and longevity. This is not starvation. This is the body's built-in repair toolkit, a toolkit that sleeps until fasting activates it. Mitochondria are the power stations of your cells, generating the energy that keeps you alive. Over time, these power stations become overworked, tired, and inefficient. Fasting forces the body into a metabolic shift where it begins burning stored fat instead of glucose. This process generates ketones, a cleaner and more stable fuel source. During this shift, old mitochondria are removed. New, healthier ones are built. Energy production becomes more stable. Cellular stress decreases dramatically. This results in sharper brain function, better physical energy, slower cellular aging, more efficient fat burning. Fasting is not a shutdown. It's a complete system reboot. Chronic inflammation is like a fire burning inside the body, slow, invisible, and extremely destructive. It accelerates aging, destroys cells, and contributes to chronic diseases. Fasting helps lower inflammatory hormones, reduce oxidative stress, calm immune overactivity, improve joint and skin health, relax the digestive system. When fasting begins, the body shifts focus from digestion to restoration. Inflammation pathways become quieter, calmer, and more balanced. This is why many people report less bloating, reduced pain, clearer skin, better mood. Fasting cools the body's internal flames. Your hormones act like the software controlling everything: your hunger, mood, metabolism, stress, and even aging. During fasting, insulin levels drop, stabilizing blood sugar. Growth hormone rises, protecting muscles and aiding repair. Adrenal hormones improve, enhancing focus and alertness. Leptin and ghrelin rebalance, reducing cravings. This hormonal reset brings more energy, better appetite control, leaner body composition, and enhanced brain clarity. Your body stops chasing constant hunger spikes. It learns balance again. During extended fasting cycles, the immune system undergoes a remarkable transformation. Studies show that fasting may help the body break down old, weak immune cells, activate stem cells, create fresh, more effective immune cells, strengthen overall immune responses. It's like firing your weakest defenders and bringing in a brand new elite team. Fasting gives the pancreas a break. Lower insulin levels allow cells to respond better when glucose eventually returns. This results in steady blood sugar, fewer crashes, reduced cravings, better metabolic health. Your energy becomes smooth and consistent rather than spiking and crashing. Your brain benefits immensely from fasting. As ketones rise, the brain receives a cleaner and more efficient fuel source. Fasting increases BDNF, a protein that protects, grows, and strengthens neurons. Benefits: better memory, sharper thinking, faster learning, mental calmness, long-term brain protection. Your thoughts become clearer, your focus sharper, your mind more stable. Fasting trains your body to switch between glucose and fat seamlessly. This adaptability makes you more resilient and less dependent on constant meals. You become a hybrid engine, able to run smoothly on either fuel source. This improves weight control, energy stability, physical endurance, and overall health span. Fasting triggers molecular pathways linked to longevity. Sirtuins protect DNA and enhance repair. AMPK boosts fat burning and energy efficiency. Reduced mTOR slows aging and improves regeneration. Your body becomes biologically younger from the inside. When fasting activates all these systems together, the body enters a state of full biological rejuvenation. During this reset, cells clean themselves, DNA repair increases, inflammation drops, mitochondria upgrade, brain function improves, immune system renews, metabolism stabilizes, longevity pathways strengthen. You feel lighter, clearer, more energetic, more balanced, more youthful. This is not a diet. This is a deep, ancient biological upgrade. Thank you for joining us on Health and Beauty. Remember, fasting is not punishment. It is the body's natural healing language. Give your cells the chance to repair, and they will reward you with energy, clarity, and longevity. If you found this valuable, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more powerful health and beauty insights. Until next time, stay healthy, stay radiant, and keep glowing from the inside out.